nights, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. The colors of the rainbow, so pretty in the sky, also on the faces of people going by. I see red shaking hands, say, how do you do? They really say,
I should change his expression.
I hear babies crying.
Look at it.
I watch them grow. They'll learn much more than I'll ever know.
And I said to myself, what a wonderful world.
What a wonderful world. Yes, I think to myself.